Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure HTTP/2 and Brotli on Nginx for faster sites. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have Nginx installed on your server. You can check this by running the command Nginx v in your terminal. If Nginx is not installed, you can install it using your package manager. For Ubuntu, use the command sudo apt update and in sudo apt install Nginx. Next, ensure that your server supports HTTP/2. HTTP/2 requires SSL/TLS, so you need to have an SSL certificate set up. If you don't have one, consider using Let's Encrypt for a free SSL certificate. After obtaining your SSL certificate, navigate to your Nginx configuration file. You can typically find this at /etc/nginx/sites available/default or /etc/nginx/nginx.conf. Open the configuration file using a text editor, like Nano or Vim. Look for the server block that contains your SSL configuration. Add HTTP2 to the listen directive. It should look something like this: listen 443 SSL HTTP2. Now, let's enable Brotli compression. First, ensure you have the Brotli module installed for Nginx. If it's not installed, you will need to install a version of Nginx that supports Brotli. One option is to add the Nginx_Brotli module to your Nginx installation. Once installed, you'll need to edit the Nginx configuration file again. Add the following lines to enable Brotli: Brotli on Brotli_types text/HTML text/CSS application/JavaScript application/JSON. You can also specify the Brotli compression level by adding Brotli_comp_level 6. After making these changes, save and close the configuration file. To check for syntax errors in your configuration, run the command sudo nginxt. If everything is correct, restart Nginx to apply the changes. Use the command sudo system to restart Nginx. Finally, you can test if HTTP/2 and Brotli are working properly. Use online tools like https://tools.keaton.com/http2test, https://tools.keycdn.com/http2-test, to verify. For Brotli, you can use browser developer tools to check response headers for the content encoding, BR value. Your site should now load faster with HTTP/2 and Brotli compression enabled. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.